Hello Jabbers, welcome to another episode of Jab Life.
Today we're going to show you how to make Jab Life's super easy 3-ingredient peanut butter cookies. You will need 1 cup of peanut butter, 1 cup of sugar, 1 egg, and if you want, you can add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla.
First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees.
Then mix all the ingredients until they are well combined.
Once the cookie dough is all mixed, start shaping them into 1.5-inch balls, about the size of a ping pong ball. And then place them on a cookie sheet 2 inches apart.
Flatten each one with a fork in a crisscross pattern.
Bake for 10 to 12 minutes.
Let them cool.
Enjoy!
Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell.
When should you take a cookie to the doctor?
When he's feeling crummy.